Unlock your business potential with Maharishi Digital Hub. Are you a small or new business looking to make your mark in the digital world? At Maharishi Digital Hub, we specialize in helping emerging businesses like yours achieve digital success. Our services tailored for small and new businesses. Local SEO. Boost your visibility locally, ensuring your business appears at the top of search results in your area. This means more foot traffic and local customers discovering your services. E-commerce SEO. Whether you're starting an online store or looking to boost your current one, we optimize your e-commerce site for better search engine visibility and increased sales. Lead generation. We'll help you attract and convert leads with strategies designed to increase your customer base and boost your sales. Mobile marketing. Reach new customers on their smartphones with mobile-friendly strategies that ensure your business is accessible and engaging on all devices. Email marketing. Build lasting relationships with your audience through targeted email campaigns that drive engagement and repeat business. Brand awareness. Establish a strong brand presence online. Our strategic approach helps you build a recognizable and trusted brand. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience on social media platforms, increase your followers, and convert interactions into sales. Affiliate marketing. Leverage partnerships and affiliates to expand your reach and drive more sales. Web development. Get a professionally designed, user-friendly website that reflects your brand and engages your customers. Influencer marketing. Connect with influencers who can promote your brand to a wider audience, increasing your visibility and credibility. Why Maharishi Digital Hub is ideal for small and new businesses. Cost-effective solutions. We understand the budget constraints of small and new businesses. Our services are priced competitively to deliver maximum value without breaking the bank. Personalized strategies. Every business is unique. We tailor our digital marketing strategies to meet your specific needs and goals, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Proven results. Our clients have seen significant improvements in their online presence, engagement, and sales. Expert guidance. Navigating the digital landscape can be challenging. Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way, providing insights and support to help your business thrive. Our local visibility has skyrocketed thanks to Maharishi Digital Hub. We're seeing more customers walk through our doors every day. Their tailored approach to SEO has boosted our online store's traffic and sales beyond our expectations. Ready to take your digital marketing to the next level? Visit MahariShiDigitalHub.com and contact us today. Let Maharishi Digital Hub unlock your business's full potential. Thank you for watching video.